The Coffin box is the perfect solution for faster and more economical system changeouts. You will save time and materials with a Coffin box. Today, let's discuss installing the included brace inside the Coffin box. Measure your opening using the metal shop filter housing or use the recommended air handler dimensions. Cut a hole in the metal of the top of the Coffin box. Use a sharp object to finish cutting through the fiberglass inner liner and remove the cut section. Remove the brace and screws from inside the Coffin box. Use one hand to hold the brace in place and using a drill, carefully screw through the outside metal and through the brace. Secure 2 screws in the front and 2 screws in the back. Once installed, your brace should look like this. Finish out your installation with the Coffin box. For a complete Coffin box installation video, click here.